If you're struggling to install Shopify app because of this warning, can't install Shopify app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So there are quite a number of ways you can fix this issue, and you shall do it from an Android smartphone perspective. So to fix this, you need to go to your Google Play Store app, tap on it to open, and make sure you are trying to install your app while logged into your Gmail account. However, if you are still logged in but unable to install the app, then tap on the profile icon on your app, scroll down, and you should see settings gear here. Now, if you tap on settings, look for this option called network preferences. So here we want to make some changes on our network preference, and if you go to app download preference, under it, tap on this and change this setting from over Wi-Fi only if that is your current settings to over any network. So I'll tap over any network here and then tap on OK. So by making this change, this will ensure that you are able to download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. At this point now, everything should be okay. Go ahead, try and install your app, and everything now should work. However, if you can't still install the app, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to go to Play Store app and access its app info page. You can do this through settings here, or a shortcut method is just to long press on your Google Play Store app and you should see app info. If you don't see the app info option, you should see a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data and more especially cache data. For that, just go down below here where you can see clear data and choose clear cache and OK. So this will clear files that are normally stored by this app that are unnecessary and that might be causing your app to malfunction. So this will not log you out. All you need to do is just to restart your smartphone and open Play Store. You'll still be logged in, and now you can search for your app. So let's search for our app, Shopify, and here we go. Now our Shopify app is here. I'll try to install it, and this should have fixed the problem. And look at that, now I'm able to install Shopify app. However, if you're still not able at this point, then you might need to look or check if you have space issue. For that, you need to free up space by deleting unwanted apps or even unwanted images and videos from your smartphone. Clear trash from your phone before you can install this app. So that's how you can fix can't install Shopify from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.